welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. So today it's the Saturday before Halloween. Halloween's on Tuesday and I'm hosting family tonight for a little buffet. So I'm doing a few cute things. This is like what I love, what I find really exciting. Party planning, preparing food, hosting, making party bags, all that kind of stuff. So I went to Iceland the other day to get some party bits, and then went to Costco last night to get like the majority of the food and a few like dessert bits. And then now I just need to nip to Tesco and get like crisps, nuts, drinks, things like that. Need some kitchen roll, a few little bits. And then when I come back, we're going to finish the Halloween decorations and just get the house a bit more prepared for when the guests arrive. So if you haven't seen my previous Halloween video, I did that, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, and I said I wasn't bringing any more stuff from my parents' house, but I have brought quite a lot more stuff from my mum and dad's. So I'll show you the extra bits that I've brought. I wasn't always intending to invite everyone for a buffet, but then I got excited and thought I'm going to get the extra things because they look good. And some of the houses around here where we live have like got some amazing decorations out, so it made me want to get into the spirit a bit more. Not that I already wasn't. So yeah, I thought this video would be really nice to make for like me to look back on as well, because these are my favourite times, like spending time with family, having people round, hosting, good food. Yeah, I need to do a bit of cleaning as well before people come, so I will just film what I can, show you what we get up to, show the little party bags that I bought off Amazon and what I'm going to put in them. My 2 nieces and nephew are coming, so I always think it's nice as well for kids. So I think there's about 14 of us, so it might be a little bit cramped because it's not the biggest house, but we've got spare chairs, camping chairs and things like that we're going to put. We have done it before last Christmas when we moved into the house. Ralph will be very excited to have all these people around, and yeah, I'll basically show you us decorating the house, maybe a bit of cleaning, the party bags, the food, the best bit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I better get started. The first thing I'm going to do is insert a clip here of the food we got from Costco last night. So this is everything that we've got from Costco for our little Halloween buffet. So for like the main food, I picked up 2 of the Kirkland signature beef stew and dumplings, so that's £13.11 each. The prices vary slightly depending on the weight of what's in it. This is probably one of my most favourite things that I've had from Costco. My mum's bought this numerous times when we've had parties, and everyone always wants the beef stew and dumplings, because sometimes we've bought something different, like one of these, one of something else, but everyone always wants this and it just goes quickly. So yeah, I bought 2 of those. Everyone should at least be able to have a bit of stew and dumplings. And then also picked up the Kirkland signature penny carbonara. Pasta is always a staple at parties, always goes down well, so I've got a big one of those. Then I actually wasn't going to get a pizza, but I thought they were quite good value. It's £7.99, it's a massive pizza. James persuaded me into it, so I got the pepperoni one. They also do a 5 cheese pizza, but I do need to make some space in the fridge because this is wider, well, just as wide as the fridge, and we'll have to squash that in somehow. As you can see, it like covers the whole oven, so hopefully it'll fit in the oven. If not, I'll have to cut it in half. And then I actually picked these chicken pita quesadillas up for our tea tonight. We haven't tried these before. I think they're new actually in Costco, so pick these up. You get 6 by the look of it, 3 each side, and then you get these little, like, assuming that's like a salsa, a garlic or mayo of some sort. So it only takes 6 to 8 minutes in the oven. Probably won't eat them all tonight, might save some for Sunday. And then James's mum is also going to make a cake. So I didn't buy a cake from Costco because the cakes are really nice, but instead I picked up some cookies and the brownies, and I've got some little party bags to make, and I feel like if there is any left over, that's a lot easier to give out. To put in a party bag and wrap up with some tissue rather than it is with cake is a bit more messy, and the cakes are huge, and I thought if James's mum's making a cake, then it might be a bit too much. So yeah, a bit of a variety with cookies, brownies and cakes. I'm not baking just because I feel like there's already enough stuff. James's mum's going to bake, and you know, I'm sorting the decorations and other bits out. So yeah, that is everything I picked up in Costco, and that came to about £66 I think for everything. And then we can bring it back to present day and show you what I got from Tesco. So we've just got back from Tesco and Home Bargains, so I just thought I'd show you what I picked up. I picked up a few random bits while I was there, as you do when you're in Home Bargains. So not related to the party at all, but I picked up this like bamboo storage jar for Ralph's dog treat. So at the moment we've just got like various packets open which we give him like different treats from. It looks a bit of a mess in the cupboard, so I think I'm going to decant them into here and then have a little scoop so we can scoop them into his little bag when we go on walks and things, his little treat bag. But then instead of having like 7 packets, we'll just have them all in here. So if it works well, I might do the same with his like dental sticks and things and get a larger one. I also picked up this storage basket, again from Home Bargains, like a rattan one. It's called a rope basket. I think it was £5.99, but I recently got some storage for under the stairs, so I thought that would look nice on one of the shelves. Again, probably with like Ralph's water bottle, numerous things, brush, like we have a few things for him that are just kind of like looking a bit untidy, so I thought a basket always makes them look tidier. Oh, I'm really hot with the oven on, so I'm just going to take my jumper off. Just got these enchiladas for lunch. We're like fajita enchiladas. Oh, we got them from Costco. We had them for tea last night, but you got 6, so we had 4 last night. and then 2 today, but they basically take like 8 minutes in the oven, flip them over halfway, pop back in. So nice. So I also ended up buying some Christmas wrapping paper. So I'm one of those people, I love wrapping, I love choosing the wrapping paper, browsing like the different collections that shops bring out. But I really like this one. It kind of reminded me of one that I've had from Next and Home Centre in the past. I think it was £1.29, yeah, and it's an 8-metre roll. So just for like kids' presents, some of the men in the family and things like that. It's like a really nice pattern. It's just got like little red cars on and Christmas trees. The driving home for Christmas sort of feel. Yeah, I really liked it. I thought it looked a bit more premium than what you usually would find in Home Bargains and things. I also bought a shelf for the cupboard. I've bought a few of these recently, but I just find them really handy to make the most of all the space in the cupboard, especially like under the sink. Like I feel like a lot of the top is just not utilised. So it's just got legs that fold down, and then as it shows on the picture, you can put things underneath and things on top if you've got a large cupboard. I'm excited to put that up. And then I've bought like beef stew and dumplings for the main food tonight, but I'm also doing like a bit of a buffet with like party food and things. So I have got Halloween paper plates for those, but I thought for the stew and dumplings it's much better to have it in a bowl. So I couldn't find any bowls anywhere. Looked in Costco yesterday, went to Tesco, Home Bargains. So I ended up picking up these Tupperware sort of tubs because I thought it'd just be so much easier. I couldn't get any plastic cutlery either, but I thought these are really handy. They're also good if people want to take cake home. I can just give them the little treats in here. But yeah, I just thought it'd be much nicer to eat it out of like proper plastic with sides, like when you're scooping up the side of like a stew that's a bit messy, it's not like falling off the paper plate or it's going a bit soft. So I got 2 packets of those. I think they were £1.99 each. I also picked up Jacob's festive cracker selection. So last year when we hosted on Boxing Day, I could not find crackers anywhere. It was like a couple of days before Christmas. It was like all the shops had sold out of crackers. So I've bought some now. Whether I'll put them out tonight or not, I haven't really got a big selection of cheeses, so I might not use it tonight. I might just keep it for Christmas, but I thought at least I've got it in then and I won't have to worry nearer the time. So I can't believe it's November, very, very soon. Well, in a couple of days. I also picked up the Heinz barbecue sauce because I bought this a few weeks ago and now we've got like none left nearly. So it's a really nice barbecue sauce, so I thought I would just repurchase that. Batteries for a lot of the Halloween decorations. I do think the Duracell are a bit better, they last longer, but they are expensive, so I like to pick up a bit of a mixture. Got the milk, and there'll be lots of cup of teas. I got Fanta Orange, so that was 8 cans for £3.75 I think it was. So you usually buy like the knockoff Fanta from Aldi. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's really nice. But it's a special occasion, so I thought I'd treat myself to some real Fanta. And I bought some Diet Coke. So it's 15 cans, I think it was £6.50 on the club card. So I don't think that's too bad for the amount of cans that you get, and they'll last quite a long time. Well, they might not with people coming around tonight. They're just nice to have in as a bit of a treat. Then for crisps to snack on to put out, I bought the Max Texan Barbecue. I've not tried those yet, but I like the Max's crisps. So I've got those, and then the classic Thai sweet chilli sensations. So I'll pop those out around the living room in bowls. Also picked up the KP original salted peanuts. I think they were £2.50 on the club card. Nuts are quite expensive, so I don't eat nuts of any kind, but I know a lot of my family like nuts, so they're like an easy one to put out in little bowls as well for people to nibble on before the buffet begins. I bought some more paper plates. I'm not sure that I need them because I have got a couple of packs already, but you know, it's just easier to use paper plates and then throw them away than it is to have so much washing. There's quite a bit of buffet food and like desserts and things, so paper plates will be great for that. And then James's mum is making a cake and a few different things, so we always like to have double cream with our cakes, so we picked up some cream and then just some kitchen roll. I was low on kitchen roll and I'll need it to clean up and things. So now we're just going to have lunch and then I need to make some sausage rolls, so hopefully I'll show you how I make sausage rolls because they're so nice and so easy to make.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
So I've just finished the sausage rolls, so I've just put them in the fridge with a bit of tin foil over it for now because I'm going to cook them probably about half an hour before I'm going to do the buffet. They only take about 15 minutes in the oven. So I've got them out the way. James has finished doing the decorations outside. They look really good, so I'll try and insert a few clips here of like what we've done. And then I'm just in the spare room and I've got a few more bits in here that I need to sort out. I also need to do the party bags, so I'm going to just get those done now. There's only like 3 to do. And then the other party bags that I bought a pack of 10, so I just thought the other ones people could take home with like a doggy bag. If there's any extra food left over, that'll be nice. Oh, I've also bought a balloon arch from, I think it was B&M or Home Bargains, so I need to get started with that because time's cracking on now. And I also need to get myself ready at some point. Whenever I'm the host, I'm just like, I love doing all those bits, so I just don't focus on me and like getting myself ready, whereas when I'm attending things, obviously that's like a big part of going out, but I don't mind. I've got this couple here, I need to take them downstairs, and then I've got a few skeletons here that I'm going to hang up downstairs somewhere as well, and then a few random bits down here that I need to find homes for, and then the Home Bargains bag has got like the party bits in and the balloon arch. Oh, and I did the little sign before, so I'm just going to put that up where the food is, and then that skeleton's great for like putting nuts in and things on a table.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
So I've got plenty of paper plates. I didn't actually realise how many I bought, and I bought some extra today, but that's fine, they'll get used, if not this year, next year as well. That was the balloon arch that I bought from Home Bargains, so I thought it looked really good. Some of the balloons have got faces on, I've got my own balloon pump, so I'll open that and see how that is. It says you get a 40 centrepiece balloon arch, and oh, you get a balloon pump in it. I think that was about £4.99, so I thought that was quite cheap. So these were the Halloween bags that I bought off Amazon. You get quite a few different patterns, which I thought were really cute. So you've got some with the spiders on, you've got some with ghosts on, and then just different like pictures, which I thought was really nice, that they're all a bit different, and then some bats. So that was a pack of 10 for like £3.99 I think, because they were really good. And then a few of the things I picked up for the party bags. So there is actually 4 children coming now, but I've still got a few sweets and things I can put in hers. It was just a bit last minute, but I'll show you what I got for my nieces and nephew. Your head's right in my lens. Can you go back over there? So I bought 2 of these little colour your own squishy, so they're just like little witches, and then you get colouring pens with them, which I thought were quite nice. And then for my nephew I bought these little like tea lights. I just thought they might be nice in his bedroom on Halloween, just like little battery operated ones. I thought they were quite cute. So I bought these monster jellies, so I remember having these as a child. Weird things to eat, but I think kids love them, so I could just tear them off and put one in each bag, so I thought they were quite handy. Everything was really cheap. It's just kind of a nice gesture, isn't it? Something exciting for the kids to take away. Then I got these chocolate lollies. Again, I thought it was handy because it was a pack of 5. I could just split it into the bags. And then for my nephew, because he doesn't like chocolate, I bought him some Haribo sweets instead to put in his. And then I just picked up some extra chocolates, the Cadbury like variety bags, just extra for Halloween as well to have in for the trick-or-treaters. And then I just thought I could put a few in the party bags. Okay, so I have done the balloon arch. It was really easy actually, and it comes with these like little spiders and cobwebs and things and a bit of string, so I can tie those and hang them from the balloons. But yeah, they kind of like all have different patterns on. There's some like ghost faces. Don't know where it's gonna go, but I'm gonna try and pop this up now. Okay, we're finally finished and all ready for the guests to come. I've got about 15-20 minutes to get myself changed, so I really need to go and get dressed and kind of sort my face out a little bit. But I just thought I'd insert a few clips here of like how we've decorated it. really pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a lovely Halloween. We're all on Christmas. Bye guys.